Hello, 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 it's Dolly, and I am back with How to Kill a Kit with Style. This is layout number 3. I'm using Page Maps 2019 sketch releases, and I chose this one in the upper right hand corner, and I am going to follow that pretty close, really close for me. Generally, I use them as inspiration, but I probably follow it. You tell me, I'd say 60, 70% of it. So anyway, these are the products that I pre-pulled from my kit to document this photograph of my front porch autumn welcome sign. All right, this flower paper I cut 6 by 6, and I'm using an EK punch that is a small scallop. And just as the sketch showed, you just go around the top and both sides. And by doing that, you're already taking away from, you're already changing the dimension of that 6 by 6, so you don't have to cut it down. If you're going to scrap lift that sketch, don't cut it down. When you use your border punch, it's automatically going to change the dimension. Now, I did have to change the dimension of my photo there by almost a ½ inch because I wanted to mat it, and I added a double row of washi tape, one yellow, one black with little white flowers. And you can see this is where I'm following the sketch, but then I decide, nope, I'm going to flip-flop it. And I move that photograph over to the right, and then that 6 by 6 paper, I'm going to cut it down by, I think I cut it 4 by 5.5. And I thought I just wanted that black strip, but I decided not. I got another 6 by 6 sheet of paper out that has little tiny deers on it. I wanted to tie in the yellow washi tape, so I'm going to put that right along the center of that small paper that I cut, which was probably 2 inches. I have it right in front of me. If I can find a ruler, I'll tell you, but I think it's 2 inches by 4 inches. And then I take a strip of paper of that from when I was doing the border punch using it. It created a strip of paper, so I'm tying in the yellow and that orange flower paper at the bottom. All right, I have this bow from a hit kit from back in, I think, April. I tried the hit kits for 3 months. It was a birthday gift back in March, and I only did it for 3 months because I normally just have 1 month spending that I go on I do a big spending and then I go back on a freeze, but that's not happening until the middle of September, or really officially the 1st of October. You need to be on the lookout because I will have videos posting about that freeze. I'm playing along with 7, 9 other ladies. So just stay tuned. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe and hit that bell button. All right, so now I am taking various die cuts that are in yellow and orange color, and I'm doing a layering right on my photograph a little bit. I'm covering just a little bit, but I want to draw your eye to that photograph because it really does not stand out, especially what you see here on camera. In person it does, because that photograph is matted on a green paper, and it's on the back of that beautiful wood grain from, I think that wood grain is from Simple Stories, if I'm not mistaken. All right, now you saw that I brought in that puffy word that says love, and that is from Bella Boulevard Illustrated Faith. This leaf die cut, I thought maybe I wanted it down there at the bottom, but then while I was putting this kit together, I came up with my title, and I'm like, ooh, I need some filler space up at the top. And then I bring in the bow. And that leafy die cut was gifted to me by Tracy. She die cutted a lot of little leaves and pieces, and we scrapbooked together over a long weekend, and that was a little gift. So I was real happy about that. All right, now you see my title I'm bringing in here. It's called Pieces of Autumn. And I changed out the word of. I'm still in love with wanting to use different fonts for my title along with different colors. So as you can see, I'm bringing down the word peace, and then I said, ooh, let me bring down the word of. So then I bring it down, and you're going to see here, because I cut a lot of this out. You didn't need to see me fuss over it and make sure it was semi-straight. And so I'm really, really happy how that turned out. All right. If you don't know about How to Kill a Kit with Style, it is a group of ladies that put together a homemade kit, as large, as small as they want, however they want to put it together. And the first day of the month, we reveal the kit. The last day of the month, we show you what we created and what's left over. And then for those that want to create videos and upload them through the month, they can. So that's why I will have all the links to the ladies that are participating in the month of September listed below in my description box, so you can go check them out. Now, I don't know which ones are going to post throughout the month, so when you go to their channel, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, then hit that bell button, and there'll be a drop-down box, and you want to receive all notifications so you'll be notified when they are posting videos, even if it's not just for this collaboration, but for others, because we are here to bring you inspiration to document your memories, which is from your photographs, in a fun, creative way. So please be sure to follow everybody, and if you're not a subscriber here, I would love to have you as a subscriber, and hit that bell button. All right, you saw that I did a little embellishment cluster over there to the left, and then I brought in sequins from, they're called Orange Blossom from Spiegelman Scraps. They were gifted to me. I'm not sure by who, but they were, and maybe probably Tracy, because I was late on the game on using sequins, and I'm really enjoying them, and so I find myself using them more and more. So I hope I keep getting gifted those, since I am going on a spending freeze. All right, I got out my Heidi Swapp Color Shine in Gold, sprinkled some up there in the upper left-hand corner, and then down over there by that little cluster as you are drawing your eye to my photograph. This layout's complete. I have no still shots at the end. Here is that sketch that I'm bringing back. So you tell me if I did a pretty good job lifting that. All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.